I am here with our very own Orlando Chucky Foster, Jockey, here in Canada. Star jockey in Jamaica, eh? And now you're in Canada blazing up the track. No win today, but you hit second and third. How has the day been today?
It's a good day today. It's long but hot, But it's just only a period of time, Certain hours, racing off the stop. But yeah, it was a good day today. Even though I didn't win any today. But I still give thanks. I came back out alive, and okay.
Yeah, and your feet are good shape.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, so Orlando, you have been here for a while now. You have been living in Canada since 2019,
yeah.
right? I know that you came to Canada through horse racing, but how? Like, did someone saw you and say, "Hey, come to Canada to ride horse," or
Yes.
"Hey," that's how it went?
Yes.
So tell us a little about that.
Well, I've been riding since 2012, and I have a period of time like a buck boy, gallop boy, like apprentice. Yeah, so I'm riding for like 3 years, like 2012 to 2016. So as soon as I ride it 2012 to 2016, my time is up as a apprentice. So
Yeah.
I become a journeyman now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now I had families and stuff. So my family is getting much bigger. So I got my good friend Roger Laho.
He's coming.
Roger Laho, right? See that I was very determined and trying a hard-working person, tried to go to Winnipeg first, but it didn't work out. So he reached out to a lady named Dat Stein in Lethbridge. So yeah, and from there now it was there from then.
There from then.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. All right. So starting up the track here in Canada now. It's been a while. You had your legs broken last year.
Yeah.
You couldn't do any more races. How was that for you?
Well, it was I was riding from May till June. I broke my legs on the 28th of June last year, and from there till then, luckily I like to save my own, so I save lots of money from May to June last year. So that was I used to.
Oh, that's how you compensate yourself.
Yeah,
so I
for
mean,
last year.
Oh yeah, because you couldn't ride.
couldn't
So
do it,
that is good.
Yeah.
You know, at least you were able to sustain yourself.
Of course, I do get some money from Combined Insurance and some from the Alberta Insurance, but not much though, But just a little just to maintain what I have to do,
Yeah, I saw the photo. It was online. I mean, it seems a bit devastating, but nonetheless, I'm happy to see you getting well. Back on the track riding. So since you have broke your leg, this has been your first season, right?
Yes, since I broke my leg, I just came back. Most people never expect me to came back so fast, but the creator. I never give up.
And then you broke your leg. You didn't finish last year, but now you're back. The season starts when May.
Yeah.
Oh, and you started in Lethbridge?
Yeah, we started in Lethbridge.
And now you are here and you are riding. I mean, second today, third today, not bad. It's good. I mean, you're back and you're doing your thing, so that is a good thing. And I've realized that there are quite a number of Jamaica jockeys here. Yeah, riding. And
even one of the top rider from Jamaica that you were just talking to out there.
Yeah.
Trevor Simpson.
Oh, Trevor Simpson. Yeah, he told me.
Yes, man.
So yeah, I don't see any of them around today, but I mean, after the race they're up there, but at least I get a hold of you and we can do this video. But it is my first time at the Derby, and this is Evergreen Park, Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada.
Well,
and it's quite an experience.
Lots more to come, because most of the stake races them are not here as yet. So this is just the beginning, the second week of the race meet here. There's lots more to come. Lots of exciting.
Yeah, well, I don't know much about horse racing. I'm just learning. I'm just looking. I'm just trying to get a hang of it. So, I'll be back. I'll just try to do some update on you guys, how you're doing. Try to get in touch with the others, get them on here just to let the other Jamaicans at home see how it's going here, especially the horse race lover back home.
Yes.
Just to let them know how it's going here on the tracks, and
there's so many horse races lover back home.
Yeah, so
it's a big sports in Jamaica.
Yes, Caymanas Park. I know that I've never been. I've got invited, but never been. So it's good to come to Canada, and this is my first time at the races. Okay, so as it is right now, you live in Canada. Right?
Yes, eventually.
So you came just on a like 6 months work permit.
Yes.
Then you got it renewed, maybe a year after, and then so you're a permanent resident of Canada currently, and you're awaiting citizenship.
Yes.
So so basically you've migrated here through sports, horse
racing.
Yes, and that's another avenue. That's another part to it.
And I want to tell us, to be honest, when I'm home, right, I thought I couldn't travel, you know what I mean, because it means like this, you know, I don't like to go and ask people to help me do things, because I have my little family I have to maintain. So, for instance, if I said I'm going to go for a visa to help my family, I'm scared to get denied, you understand? So
you don't like rejection?
I have a family them to take care of. You understand? So I'm going to lose that money now. Where am I going to get it back from?
Okay, so horse racing back home was struggling. The money wasn't so much.
Yeah.
So comparing to Jamaica, it's a big gap. I mean, what you earn from horse racing back home, what you earn from horse racing in Jamaica comparing to here in Canada.
Well, I earn a lot from both places because I earn a lot in my apprenticeship, right?
Yeah.
And I came here and I do the same thing, which I'm still doing it. You understand?
But it pays better here in Canada.
Here, way better.
Oh,
way better.
Yeah, you don't have to say anymore. Like, we know this. It's gonna be better.
Way better. But I love my country though. I love Jamaica.
Yeah, I saw the Jamaican flag on your
hat.
You
have to represent where I come from, man.
Yeah. Zoom in. All right, Orlando. So it's good to hear from you.
Yes.
And anything you want to tell your Jamaicans, horse race lover back home? They see you here and in this video. Anything you want to say to them? Anybody you want big up? Anybody you want send healings to? What do you want to say to them?
Well, a lot of opportunities here. Lots. When I say lots, I mean lots. Understand? You just need to get the opportunity to be here, right?
You just need to get your foot in the door.
Yes. And I want to say blessing to each and everyone back home in Jamaica. Blessing to my families, my mom, my kids, them, all 5 brothers and sisters, you know. Yes, all families, everyone. Tevin Laho, yeah. Who don't hear? Yeah, man, blessings every time. Yeah.
Orlando Chucky Foster, aka Dopey Show.
Alright. Nugent, Johnny, bless up yourself. You know you're in a Jack's room, but you should be here right now.
Alright, take care now, and just let them know to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, man, like, share, leave a comment, and like the video too. Yeah,
subscribe.
Yes, man, every time.
Alright.
Adriana said that too, and Zuri.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
After the races, we took a tour of the facility, and we also went to see the horses stable.
Hey, are you going to play league again?
Right.
Today? Yeah. Is that Eddie me again? Yeah?
Hello.
My
first time here.
Really?
Yeah, so they just visit.
No, it's all good. I love it. I love your jacket. It's so cute.
That's you, Zuri.
Zuri, are you? Come get the horse, you say you wanted to pit.
Yeah, it's my first time at the Derby.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been there before.
This one's the best.
You're from where? America?
No, Jamaica. I'm Rochelle.
Michelle, nice to meet you. Hi.
Are you a trainer or?
I'm not. I'm just the hired hand. I do nothing.
Chewing on me right now.
Are you afraid of the horse, Zuri?
No, I touch you.
Does that one bite you? Does that one bite you?
No, you just.
Alright, Jockey. Look more.
He likes the nibble.
Jockey. Jockey.
Yes, look more. On the then?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Another Jamaican jockey.
He likes to nibble.
Dwight, the legend.
Hey, are you me that talked a while ago, no you?
Nah.
What's your name?
Dwight Lewis.
Dwight Lewis. You live here too?
Yeah.
Canada?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been here?
From 2009.
2009.
Mad. So you've been here for a long while, Dwight. So you've been here from 2009. So you used to do horse racing at Cayman Park too?
Yeah, a couple times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But now you migrate and you're here.
I get
so-
my license in Barbados.
Oh, cool.
I win the 5th race, number 7.
Oh.
Orange.
Oh yeah, the orange. You know, at one point I thought you were in the orange because you were in the orange before. Yeah. Good. So you get a win today.
Yeah, and a 3rd.
Yeah, that's a good run.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're back on the tracks tomorrow again. Where you live?
Alberta Lethbridge.
Oh, you're in Lethbridge.
Yeah, where Chucky is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just come here for the season and then you'll be back in Lethbridge.
Yeah.
So it's just here and Lethbridge.
Yeah, I used to ride in a City Boy Downs. Yeah, so I was going back there. I was going to America.
Went to America and then you're back in and this is your home now.
Yeah.
All right. Respect the white.
Yeah.
And
Peace
happy
out.
to see you all here,
Yeah, it's a
Jamaican
pleasure.
riding the horse.
it's
Yeah.
make-
Yeah, man. I see the cap. One thing we do, we don't stop representing, and I love that.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica. All right.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care.
Yeah, but I'm scared to come back there.
Oh Lord, I just did a video about that. You know.
I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah.
Yep.
Crime rate.
Yeah, people, no, I mean, but they're too cheeky. So that I'm a jockey, there will be, if I go to Jamaica like right now, the guys them that will be behind me from there to here.
Money. The people, Jamaican,
And here
do
is,
better.
is it here? It's not easy.
I know, no, you don't have to tell me that. I work 2 jobs.
And in the winter time, and you're not working, it's
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah,
And you can't even go out nowhere, you're afraid to come out.
yeah.
You just peep through the window. So you have to work and save. Huh?
Yeah.
No, you better step in the ass back foot, Virgin.
And I am signing off for today. Until the next video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below.